Hello everyone. Today I am going to start WH, and WH is very important, but most of the students they think that WH is very tough. They don't know how to ask the question because of their confusion. Actually they don't know how to ask the question. They think that this is very tough and they don't know how to ask the question from WH and helping verb. So first of all I would like to clear about WH and helping verb. There are two ways to ask the question. There are two ways to ask the question. If you ask the question from WH, then you will have to give long answer. Or if you ask the question from helping verb, then you can give shortcut. You can give answer in yes or no. Like, do you go to market? Then you can speak yes or no also. Do you speak Hindi? You can give the answer in yes or no. But if you want to ask any question from WH, then you will have to give long answer. Like, where do you live? Then you will have to open your mouth. Without opening your mouth, it's not possible to give the answer. That's why if anybody is asking the question from WH, then you will have to open your mouth, you will have to give the answer long, especially long, means you will have to give long answer. This is the difference between WH and helping verb. This is simple. Now today I am going to start WH. First of all, I would like to tell you that this is very important to make a conversation with someone, because if your WH is weak, then you will not be able to do conversation with the people. So that's why first of all you will have to focus a lot of in WH. So I think WH is very easy, but you will have to focus in structure. अगर आप स्ट्रक्चर पे फोकस करते हैं, if you focus in structure, then definitely you will be able to speak or you will be able to ask many questions. This is very easy. ये बहुत आसान है, सिर्फ समझना होता है. Only you will have to understand. So now today I am going to start where. First of all, where, and where means कहाँ, and where is used for place. We all know that where is used for place, and this is also very nice. First of all, I am writing here Hindi sentence. I am writing here Hindi sentence. Like, first of all, I am writing here Hindi sentence like, आप कहाँ जाते हैं? आप कहाँ जाते हैं? I have written here first sentence, and I am writing here structure WH plus, or you can write here WH means what? With the help of WH, or the word which is started from WH is called WH. The word which is started from WH, that is called WH. Like where, when, what, this type of sentence you can speak from here. So first of all I have written here structure WH plus do and does. Do and does. Then after subject. Then after action 1 and object and question mark. So first of all I would like to explain about this structure. Most of the people actually they don't know how to use do and does, but I would like to clear this. WH is means which, just WH means where, already I have written here, why, when, this stuff, and do or does means you will use does for singular or do for plural. This is very easy. And now subject. Subject means what? I, you, we, they. According to subject you will use here do and does. If you are talking about singular subject, then you will use does and then after do. Action 1 like go, come, sit, meet, dance, this stuff. Or action 1 completed and object. So simple sentence. First of all, according to structure I am following here. So first of all, where, WH is completed, and do or does. What will you use here? Because subject is you, then you will use here do, है ना? I am clearing here. He, she, it, and name, and then after singular. Then you will use here he, she, it, name, singular. With these all the subject we will use here does. And except this you will use do. That's all. So I have written here where and subject is you, then you will use here not does. You will use here do, because you, we, they, both. After this you will use here do. So you know what is subject here? You will notice that. What is subject here? You. Then you will use here do. Where, do, and then after you. Or action 1, go. Where do you go? There is no subject, that's why I have not written here object. There is no object, that's why I have not written here object. Where do you go? आप कहाँ जाते हैं? Where do you go? आप कहाँ खेलते हैं? Where do you play? आप कहाँ सोते हैं? Where do you sleep? आप कहाँ रहते हैं? Where do you live? आप कहाँ पढ़ाते हैं? Where do you teach? So simple. Now one sentence more. Where, and instead of do you can write here does also. I have written here does. Then after you will notice that I have written here does. It means you will write subject from here. Where does he play? Simple. Where I have written from here and does from here and subject he and action play. Where does he play? वह कहाँ खेलता है? वह कहाँ खेलता है? Where does he play? वह कहाँ सोता है? Where does he sleep? वह कहाँ दौड़ता है? Where does he run? वह कहाँ इंग्लिश सीखता है? Where does he learn English? वह सुबह में कहाँ जाता है? Where does he go in the morning? So this is very easy sentence. Now I think you can practice from here. This will be very easy. So practice is the most important. Now why, and why means क्यों. Number first, आप हिंदी क्यों बोलते हैं? Same structure you will follow. Same structure. No changing. Same structure you will follow. Then it will be correct here. आप हिंदी क्यों बोलते हैं? Instead of where you will write here why, because why here क्यों. So why and helping verb do or does. You is subject here, so after you do. Why, do, and subject you, and action 1. Why do you speak? And object is here, so you will write here हिंदी, है ना. आप हिंदी क्यों बोलते हैं? Why do you speak हिंदी? आप क्यों दौड़ते हैं? Why do you run? आप झूठ क्यों बोलते हैं? Why do you tell a lie? आप सच क्यों बोलते हैं? Why do you speak truth? आप बाजार क्यों जाते हैं? Why do you go to market? आप इंग्लिश क्यों सीखते हैं? Why do you learn English? आप स्पोकन वर्ल्ड क्यों जाते हैं? Why do you go to spoken world? And you can change negative sentence also. Only you will write here don't, है ना? आप हिंदी क्यों नहीं बोलते हैं? Simple sentence. You can write here. Why don't? Simple sentence. Only I have written here don't. Why don't you teach English? आप इंग्लिश क्यों नहीं पढ़ाते हैं? Why don't you teach English? आप हिंदी क्यों नहीं पढ़ाते हैं? Why don't you teach हिंदी? आप झूठ क्यों नहीं बोलते हैं? Why don't you tell a lie? आप सच क्यों नहीं बोलते हैं? Why don't you speak truth? तो there are many sentences you can speak, you can write from your mind, है ना? And last one more. Why and doesn't, है ना? Why doesn't, or you will write from here any subject from here. Why doesn't and why, and I have written from here. Just I have written here don't. Why doesn't he and call me? वह मुझे कॉल क्यों नहीं करता है? Why doesn't he call me? वह इंग्लिश क्यों नहीं बोलता है? Why doesn't he speak English? वह सच क्यों नहीं बोलता है? Why doesn't he speak truth? वह बाजार क्यों नहीं जाता है? Why doesn't he go to market? So this is very easy sentence. According to your mind, according to your need, you can speak sentence. If your WH is very strong, then you will be very confident. That's why if you want to increase your question or WH power, if you want to increase your conversation power, then this is the most important. With the help of this structure, you can learn, you can speak some sentence from your mind also. So just you will have to follow only these rules and all the WH will be easy. Like another sentence more I am speaking, I am writing one more, last. Number next. When, and I have written here when, or when means kab. You will use here for timing, for time. Like आप घर कब जाते हैं? And structure is same. You speak from here. Means this structure is the most important. If your structure is clear, then all the WH will be very easy to speak. That's why structure. So first of all, kab, or kab means when. When. Then after, do or does. We will use here do because subject is you. So when, do, and subject you. When do you go to house? When do you go to house? When, WH, do helping verb, subject, action 1, and it's a object. आप घर कब जाते हैं? When do you go to house? आप स्कूल कब जाते हैं? When do you go to school? आप कब उठते हैं? व्हेन डू यू गेट अप। आप हिंदी कब बोलते हैं? व्हेन डू यू स्पीक हिंदी। आप बाजार कब जाते हैं? व्हेन डू यू गो टू मार्केट। आप कॉल कब करते हैं? व्हेन डू यू कॉल। आप झूठ कब नहीं बोलते हैं? नेगेटिव सेंटेंस, देन यू विल यूज हियर डोंट। व्हेन डोंट यू टेल लाई। आप कॉलेज कब नहीं जाते हैं? व्हेन डोंट यू गो टू कॉलेज। सिंपल सेंटेंस। वन मोर फ्रॉम डज। व्हेन does, when from here structure you will notice, when from here and does, then after subject you will use according to, before some time I wrote here, so you will use here he she, means third person singular number, you will use here third person singular number subject. When does he call you? When does he call you? वह आपको कब कॉल करता है? When does he call you? वह बाजार कब जाता है? When does he go to market? वह झूठ कब बोलता है? When does he tell a lie? वह सच कब बोलता है? When does he speak truth? वह कब पढ़ाता है? When does he teach? मैं कब पढ़ाता हूं? When do I? Because I am talking about first person. तो when do I teach? This type है ना, this structure you will follow. When do you? When do I? When do they? And from here, when does he? When does she? When does Bindu? When does Mohan? When does Ram? So this is very easy sentence. Means you will change here. If you want to write here does, then you will have to write here third person singular number. So this is very easy sentence. So first of all, again I'm telling that, if you want to increase your question power, increase your conversation power, then you will have to listen carefully and you will have to watch this video again and again. Then your all concept will be clear, definitely. And if you have any problem related to this structure or any question, doubt, then you can call me directly. You can write in comment box also. My number is 9835398621. If you have any doubts, problem, you can call me and you can write in comment section also. I will try to help you, and I'm very much happy to you all because I'm getting lots of confidence by you, because you are supporting me also, and you are just, you are supporting as a subscribe. That's why, when I see your comments, I become very happy, because that is my power. You are giving the power which gives me lots of energy. So that's why please keep supporting me. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.